आई टोल्ड यू सर, मैं इमोशनल हो जाऊंगी, मैंने देखा है इसको मेहनत करते हुए।
Since then, I have had the support of all the teachers and the staff here at Learning Hand. Learning Hand has been achieving. It achieved my success.
Firstly, congratulations are in order, Laksh. Very, very congratulations to you for cracking NEET with such beautiful marks. So rather, congratulations to both of y'all, right, for being here with us today and making us proud, Laksh. I'm your proud teacher. Right, firstly, I would like to ask you, what are your honest feelings? What do you feel right now at this present moment?
I don't feel as happy as I should, but it's all good. I'm of course glad that I cracked it on my first attempt, and yes, that's something to be proud about.
Ma'am, what do you feel being a parent? आपको कैसा लग रहा है कि आज आपका बेटा नीट क्रैक कर लिया है and very soon by God's grace is going to be called as Dr. Laksh?
सच बताऊं तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है।
It's fine, it's okay.
I'm sorry.
No, it's fine, it's absolutely fine now.
आई टोल्ड यू सर, मैं इमोशनल हो जाऊंगी।
मैम, ये तो खुशी के आंसू हैं, खुशी के आंसू हैं। ये तो मतलब this is going to inspire so many mothers out there who have sacrificed so much for their children, and finally you are one lucky mother जिसको आज थोड़ा बहुत रिटर्न कर पाया है लक्ष्य आपके sacrifices से, है ना? वरना सारे mothers को ये मौका नहीं मिलता। You should be so proud of him, so thankful to God.
Exactly.
कि लक्ष्य ने आपको आज ये मौका दिया है कि वो थोड़ा सा फेवर रिटर्न कर सके।
Yes, है ना? बहुत अच्छा बच्चा है और मुझे पूरी उम्मीद थी कि ये करके दिखाएगा। मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब थैंकफुल हूँ इसका, गॉड का और आप सबका।
थैंक यू।
बहुत इसने बहुत मेहनत की है, मैंने देखा है इसको मेहनत करते हुए।
लक्ष्य ने डेफिनेटली काफी मेहनत किया है। We were all there witnessing his hard work, his perseverance. I'm very, very happy, Laksh. Laksh, और एक बात बताओ हमको. Tell me honestly, to sum it up, how has Learning Hand helped you in your journey, starting right from class 10?
I mean, class 10 was probably one of my most vulnerable years, and since then I have had the support of all the teachers and the staff here at Learning Hand. So I think their help in my journey has been instrumental, and I can't ever repay that favor.
You have definitely, Laksh, repaid us with everything by making us so proud. Such proud teachers you have made us today, है ना? May God bless you. तो लक्ष, हमको ये बताओ, what 3 words would you associate Learning Hand with?
3 words. Okay. I think I've said this before, but definitely a roller coaster, because there have been so many ups and downs, I've lost count, and it's been always supportive of me, of my aspirations and my goals, and Learning Hand has been achieving. It achieved my success.
Thank you so much, Laksh. We wish you all the best for this amazing journey which you're going to have in your medical college. May you fly high, soar very, very high, and become one of the best doctors of the country.
Thank you, sir.